Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a very short video. I'm going to go into the full infotainment setup here in the next video or two. This is my 2023 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, and there's been some questions about how the infotainment center works. And just for instance, one of the biggest things that people are wanting to know or wanting to do is move the infotainment center around. So right here you have two different pages. You've got the front page, and then you've got page number 2 that's got Wi-Fi, vehicle status, camera, all that kind of stuff, vehicle controls, off-road, air down, all of that stuff that a lot of people are wanting to use all the time. So let me show you how to move this around. First, we're going to start with the vehicle status. You're going to press and hold it, and it's going to highlight itself, and you can drag it and it'll move to the next screen. So you can put that wherever you want. Let's say you want it right there. It's also over here in the side tab. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right here in the side tab. So I don't care to have the vehicle status right there on the sidebar when it's on the front page, but I would like my cameras to be at quick access, so I can drag that over and put it over the vehicle status and let go of it, and there's your camera. So on the first page, I've got vehicle status. It'll tell me everything I need to know about the truck. And then if I want my cameras, all I have to do is hit the sidebar and it's right there. It doesn't matter where you are pretty much in the infotainment. So you can go over here to phone. That pulls up your Apple CarPlay. You can go to climate. It doesn't matter. Your still hotkey is over here on the side for your cameras, and you can switch your views, of course, wherever you want them. It does not matter. So it's a little quick. Hopefully it'll help you out whenever you're doing setting up your system, to know that you can move that over to where it's needs to be, wherever's quickest for you and easiest for you to get to. You can move all of this stuff around, all of the hotkeys over here on the side. You can move them wherever you want to, wherever you need to, and that's that. So I hope this helps some of you. If you have any questions, drop a comment, like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to go through the full infotainment center piece by piece, because there's a lot of stuff that people leave out whenever they've been reviewing the infotainment center. They just kind of scroll over a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to go through each one of these pages, show you how to add a custom page, all of that kind of stuff, and we'll get to that next. Thanks.